America, brace yourself. The feud nobody expected? It's here. Trump versus Musk. Yes, that Trump. And that Musk. Once allies, now bitter rivals. Fans are stunned. Pundits are scrambling. This isn't just a celebrity spat, it's about power, money, and the future of American politics. When these two clash, the world pays attention. The stakes? Billions in government contracts, the fate of major industries, and the political landscape itself. Remember when they were buddies? Musk was a top donor, Trump a fan. The odd couple, one building walls, the other building rockets. But now, the bromance is over and the breakup is messy. We're talking public insults, social media meltdowns, and threats flying everywhere. It's a spectacle, an American spectacle. So what happens when two giants go to war? The ripple effects hit us all. Policy, economy, even the tech you use. This feud is shaking things up big time. Buckle up, folks. It's going to be a dramatic ride, and we're just getting started. How did this alliance fall apart? It started, as always, with policy. Trump pushed a massive tax and immigration bill, a big win for him. Then Musk, his top donor, called the bill a disgusting abomination. Ouch. That's not just criticism, it's betrayal. Musk reportedly spent $275 million to help elect Trump in 2024, with more on the way. So, when Musk slammed the bill, Trump took it personally. At a White House event, Trump declared he was very disappointed in Musk and wouldn't speak to him. Then he called Musk the man who has lost his mind. The battle lines were drawn. Trump dropped support for Jared Isaacman, Musk's associate for NASA chief, citing Isaacman's past donations to Democrats. Musk felt humiliated. Trump's message, "Don't cross me," but Musk doesn't back down. He took to X and things escalated fast. Welcome to the main event, the social media showdown. Musk on X went all in, suggesting Trump should be impeached and replaced by VP J.D. Vance. He accused Trump of hiding Epstein files, warning, "The truth will come out." This was no longer a disagreement, it was war. Trump fired back, threatening to cut billions in government contracts for Musk's companies. Then he blamed Musk's crazy behavior on alleged drug use. Musk denied current drug use, saying he only used prescribed ketamine for depression. The drama spooked financial markets. Tesla stock dropped 14% in a day, rebounded slightly, but is still down 22% for the year. Investors are worried. Musk even threatened to decommission SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft, then walked it back. The stakes? Sky high. Musk launched a poll on X about forming a new centrist party, the America Party. 80% of 2 million respondents said yes. Is it serious? Or just Musk being Musk? Meanwhile, Trump is reportedly selling his red Tesla Model S, the one he bought to support Musk. The irony is almost too much. This feud is a gift for comedians. While Trump and Musk grab headlines, other dramas unfold. Take Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a Maryland man mistakenly deported, now facing federal charges. He's accused of smuggling over 100 people, including MS-13 members, into the U.S. Trump called him a bad guy with a horrible past. The administration clashed with the judiciary over his return, sparking a crisis. Meanwhile, Trump's domestic agenda rolls on. His tax and immigration bill narrowly passed the House, now heads to the Senate. It's controversial, adding $2.4 trillion to the deficit, cutting Medicaid, and increasing uninsured Americans. Trump pressures the Federal Reserve for lower interest rates, hinting at replacing Chair Jerome Powell. Executive orders boost the drone industry and relax fuel efficiency rules. All this, while the Trump-Musk feud rages on. Never a dull moment. So where does this leave us? The Trump-Musk feud isn't just entertainment, it has real consequences. SpaceX is vital for NASA and the Pentagon, with billions in contracts at stake. Can the government afford to jeopardize that? GOP leaders are trying to downplay the feud, but Musk's influence is undeniable. House Speaker Mike Johnson warned, "Don't ever challenge the president," but acknowledged Musk's power. House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries agreed Musk's money was crucial in 2024. It's a tangled web of power, money, and ego. Internationally, even Russian officials are joking about the feud, offering Musk asylum. Memes are everywhere. MAGA supporters celebrate the end of the bromance, but Musk still has X billions and a massive following. This story is far from over, so what can you do? Stay informed, pay attention. These aren't just headlines, they impact your life and your future. Read, question, discuss, and keep an eye on X, you never know what's next. Subscribe for more updates, support independent journalism, we need it.